Here I am going up to Duke's Hall at Doune Castle. It's just quite tight. So sometimes not everybody can make it up. Here we go, still climbing. So coming to a small narrow corridor here.
Oh, no. That's okay, I've been in.
No, I've been in.
Oh, okay.
There.
I gotta go that way.
Okay. Here we go. Thank you.
You're
Here we go, we're following Barb. And then come out here to the Duke's Hall. You can see out to the area where they played shinty. I'm just walking over to show where Claire did the castle walk. Just there looking down into the courtyard. There we go. Can have a little peek out there. There we go. This is where they also filmed a lot of the Monty Python scenes here. And this is the old chapel, the private Duke's chapel here. And this little feature is for the servants. They would have sat in the next alcove and would have listened to the service. So you have the two beside each other. And then a nice big fireplace, so the Duke maybe would have done business up here as well. You can see looking up, there would have been another floor up there as well.